Hi, in this video I am going to show you how you can add title, description and also subtitle in regional language. Either it could be Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Marathi, Bengali, whatever it could be. Certainly you can create that in a regional language. Now why we should be doing that? So say for example, okay, you have created video in English and you feel that there might be lot more audience maybe from who are speaking Hindi would be interested in that. So in that case, it's great that if you can actually create title, description and subtitle in Hindi so that your video also shows to them. So let me quickly show you how to do that and how that is actually going to help you as well. So let's start. So first let me tell you why it is important, okay? So if I just click on the icon on the channel, right now the language that is selected is English India. And certainly there might be people who might have selected other language as well. Say for example, okay, they might have selected Hindi. So if I select it as Hindi, the entire content in this YouTube channel will be shown in Hindi. Okay. And if you have added things, if you added title, description and things like that in Hindi, then certainly it's going to show in Hindi as well. You could see that now everything is shown in English because I have not added in Hindi. That means, so for the people who are watching in Hindi, they might not really be interested in my content because it's put in English. So here is something that we can do so that you also attract the audience who are speaking other language. So let me tell you how to do that, okay? So just click on edit video if you have already uploaded the video. If you have not already uploaded, then certainly you can do it while publishing the video as well. So let me just click on edit video. So once I click on edit video, just go to more options. Once you go to more options, you find this settings. Just scroll down and go to original video language, subtitle and CC. So here I am going to select as English India. So this is the original language, correct? Now, once you do that, you can certainly click on save and it says to manage other language, go to subtitle. That's what we need to do right now. Okay, just click on subtitle. So once you click on subtitle, it will be opening up one more section and here is something that you can add. Okay, so you can see there are 52% of the people who speak Hindi are consuming this video, and right now this video whatever I had till now, it was only shown with English titles and things like that. That means if I optimize for Hindi and Arabic, it is going to get a lot more attention, correct? So that's what the top languages by your channel audience, right? So let me just set it for add language. I'll just click on Hindi. Okay, let me just select Hindi. Okay, so let me select as Hindi. Now once you add the language as Hindi, you can add title and description also in Hindi. So just click on add. Once you do that, you can see that, okay, so this is the title that is there. Okay, let me just copy this. Go to Google Translator. Okay, let me just go to translate. You just put the content here and just select the language as Hindi. So fantastic, it is just giving that in Hindi. Okay, it says 1000 square foot double bedroom house pura kam. Fantastic, this is what I want. Okay, so I'll just put this here and I'll just write here as A to Z construction. So you can correct whatever you feel that, okay, it's apt. Okay, so once you do that, and there should be no space here, so let me just go back, correct. Now it looks fantastic, 1000 square foot double bedroom house, right? Now description, in the same way you can also copy the description and get the translated. So this is what it says. Let me just copy this and put it here. And I want some content to be in English. Say for example, okay, products used from Amazon. These are the affiliate links. And I think probably I want to have everything else in English. So let me just do one thing and just paste it. Okay. So this way you could see that, okay, now the moment somebody searches in Hindi or they are with the Hindi language, they can certainly see this in Hindi as well. Once this is done, all I can do is just hit publish. Okay, so fantastic. Now The title and description has been added in Hindi. You could see this. Hindi, published, correct? You can also add subtitle now. Now we have added title and description. You can certainly add subtitle as well. So to do that, just click on add. Okay. Once you click on add, it says, okay, upload a file. You can certainly upload a file with all the subtitle details or create new subtitle or CC. So let me just click on this. So once I do this, so it gives, okay, it would have automatically detected when I'm speaking, okay, and it says during this time you can add subtitles. So here is something that you need to just click on add. Say for example, okay, I'm going to show you the complete tour of double bedroom house. So that's what I'm going to just translate. So in this video, I'm going to show you the complete details of double bedroom house, and it has been translated. So let me just copy this and put this in this section, okay. Now once I do this, I just click on plus. So the moment we hit on plus, it gets added to that particular time. So for other timings, you can just double click on that and enter the subtitle and just move to the next one. It will automatically get saved, correct? So it also says the timing has been auto generated. That means whenever you are speaking, it automatically generates for that particular time where you can add it. Of course, it's going to take a bit of time for you to add all the subtitles, but certainly you can do in your own language, whichever you want, or in the language that you are creating the subtitle. So that's the beauty of it. In that way, you will be able to have a lot more audience coming to your videos. And once you have added all the subtitles, just click on publish. And once you publish, let me show you how it actually appears if somebody is seeing this video in other language. In this case, if somebody is seeing in Hindi, I'm going to show you how it's going to appear. So let me just quickly, so it is subtitle published, fantastic. Now let me just go back to, okay, so I'm just back to the home screen of YouTube where I have just searched for A to Z construction, and this is the video. Now here is something, okay, let me just play this video. If you can see, the language that is displayed here is English. Now here is beauty. When somebody who has set their language as Hindi, they see this video, let me show you how it actually appears, okay. So let me just click on my YouTube channel link and select the language as Hindi. So when I select as Hindi, so now you could see the beauty of it, okay. So the title is appearing in Hindi, right? The description is appearing in Hindi. And you would also see the subtitle as well. So let me just scroll to the section where we had the subtitle. So you could see the subtitles are also coming in Hindi. So that's how you do it. And I hope this video is helpful. If you think this video is helpful, then please do hit a like. And also, if you're not subscribed to the channel, then please do subscribe. Thank you.